Hello everyone, today I want to talk about this beautiful chandelier. We got it and this is a sponsor product, and you can see this is absolutely a statement piece. It is gorgeous. Everybody come to our house, they love it, they give lots of compliment. And you can see here, once you turn it off, this is how it looks like, and it goes really well with the table settings we have. And I put some dimmable lights, as you can see here. The bulbs doesn't come with it. Like right now you can see, like, you can dim it, you can put it all the way. So let me close the light so you can see it has really nice glass. They look like nice drops, and you can bend these are easy to bend, not super easy, but you can bend it the way you want it, the way you like the setup. It works really well. And the installation part on the top was a little bit challenging to put it straight, but it's manageable. So you can see here, beautiful, beautiful from this angle, and from the bottom. We absolutely love it, and everybody likes it and asks where we got it. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching.